Commercial Cooking, First Quarter, Module 1, Week 5, Calculate Profitability of a Recipe. Lesson 2, Calculate Profitability of a Recipe. What is another name for profit? Cost, markup, selling price. Markup, correct. Which of the following means the buying price of a product? Percentage, purchase cost, selling price. Purchase cost. How do you express in mathematical equation the statement markup is the difference of selling price and purchase cost? A. Markup equals purchase cost minus selling price. B. Markup equals selling price minus purchase cost. C. Markup minus selling price equals purchase cost. Correct. B. Markup equals selling price minus purchase cost. Lesson 2. Calculate profitability of a recipe. Profitability of a recipe is computed according to standard procedure. Computed profitability of a recipe includes the food cost of the recipe, its markup percentage, and the selling price based on the number of yield. Basic markup. Estimate basic markup. Markup is the difference of selling price and purchase cost. It is the added price over the total cost of the good or service that provides the seller with a profit. Formula: markup equals selling price minus purchase cost. Lesson 2.1, How to compute the markup. For this, we do have a tabulation of the item, purchase cost, selling price, peso markup, and markup percentage. For our item, we have bibingka. The purchase cost is 5 pesos and the selling price is 7 pesos. To compute for the markup, we have a formula: markup equals selling price minus purchase cost. Now, we substitute values. Markup equals, for selling price, we have 7 pesos minus purchase cost, which is 5 pesos. Our answer is 2 pesos for our markup. Note that the markup of bibingka is 2 pesos. To estimate markup percentage, we have markup percentage refers to the increase on the cost price. The purpose of markup percentage is to find the ideal sales price for your products and or services. Remember that markup measures how much more you sell products more than their original cost. Markup percentage. To compute for markup percentage, again, we have our tabulation. The item, the purchase cost, the selling price, the peso markup, and the markup percentage. Since we have computed our markup a while ago, we will now put our markup, peso markup of 2 pesos. To compute for the markup percentage, we have the greater the markup, the more you keep as profit once you sell the products. The formula, we have A, markup percentage using purchase cost. And have another formula, markup percentage using selling price. Let's have our computation. How to compute the markup percentage using purchase cost. For our tabulation, we have bibingka, 5 pesos. Our selling price, 7 pesos. Our peso markup at 2 pesos. To compute for markup percentage using purchase cost, we can have the formula markup percentage equals peso markup divided by purchase cost times 100. To substitute values, peso markup is 2 pesos. For purchase cost, we have 5 pesos. And then we will multiply it by 100. 2 divided by 5 is 0.4 times 100. Our answer is, for markup percentage, we have 40%. Note, the answer is 40% markup percentage. For our next one, we have B, how to compute the markup percentage using selling price. Again, we have the same tabulation, but we will use a different formula to compute for the markup percentage. For the markup percentage using selling price, we have the formula markup percentage equals peso markup divided by selling price times 100. To substitute values, peso markup is 2 pesos, selling price is 7 pesos times 100. We will get 2 divided by 7 is 0.285 times 100. Our answer is 28.5%, and if rounded, we have 29%. Note, the answer is 29% markup percentage. So, in comparison, markup percentage using purchase cost, we have 40%. The markup percentage using selling price, we have 29%. In that case, the 40% markup percentage using purchase cost is greater than the 29% markup percentage using selling price. Now, to check our understanding, we have self-check 2.1. Direction. Given the table, compute on what is asked. Please show pertinent solution and computation. We have 1. Markup. Number 2. Compute for the markup percentage using purchase cost. And letter B, using selling price. Thank you for listening.